Welcome to video 11 in our Violin Basics series. In this video we're going to be talking about the basics of holding the bow. Before we grab an actual bow, we're going to find something like a pencil or a small stick or a ruler and practice our bow hold techniques on the ruler. The important part about holding a bow is we want to have our bow hand as relaxed as possible. We don't want to grab the bow in a rigid way. We want to keep our hand loose so that we're flexible and agile and we can play lots of complicated stuff with our bow. The most efficient way, or the easiest way to grab the bow or any other stick, is at the balance point. The balance point is the place on the bow or on the stick where it takes the least amount of tension to hold the bow. So you can find the balance point of your pencil by resting it on one finger. Find the spot on your pencil where only one finger will hold of the bow and it will balance side to side. You can gently rock it side to side to make sure you have it. At the balance point, what we're going to do next is we're holding the bow upside down in our right hand. We're going to wrap our thumb and our middle two fingers into a nice round circle right at that balance point and hold the bow there. The pencil should feel really light in that place. Just a very gentle pressure should hold it, and just very gentle action of our fingers should allow us to move it from side to side. Now, if we're playing the violin, this is different than on the cello. If we're playing the violin, we're going to have our pointer finger and our pinky finger up. The first finger we place down is our pinky finger, which we place right on top of the pencil. It's sitting right on top of the pencil. And then our pointer finger is, the bow is going to curve. When we put our pinky finger up on top, the stick is going to angle up in our hand, and it'll naturally hit our pointer finger. Wherever it naturally hits our pointer finger is where we want it to land there. In general, what you're aiming for is on the middle bone of your finger, not the base bone, not the tip bone, but the middle bone of your finger. Different people's hands, different techniques use a different exact spot. So let me show you that one more time. I'm holding the bow at the balance, or holding the stick at the balance point, the pencil at the balance point. We're going to form a C with our fingers, our middle two fingers, something like a rabbit or fox ears, and we're going to grab the bow right at that spot, balance point. Pinky finger sits on top, pointer finger rides right down wherever it lands. Form a nice C shape on our hand. The middle two fingers are basically the fingers holding the bow. The pinky and the pointer finger are performing something like a teeter-totter motion or a seesaw motion on top of the bow. That's the basic bow grip. You can move your pencil all around. I'll show some of those basic bow exercises in the next video.